Hook midnight to 015. 80% of businesses will use AI tools by 2026. That's huge. AI is taking over. Get ready now. Don't get left behind. Set up 015 to 1 o'clock. Why does this matter? AI news is everywhere. Claude's new AI just changed the internet forever. It's a game changer. We need the right tools now. Let's explore 3 AI tools. They'll boost your business. You'll save time and money. Let's dive in. Notion 1 to 230. Notion is an all-in-one workspace. It has 20 million users. The most impressive feature? Customizable templates. Imagine you need to create a website. Instead of 10 hours, Notion does it in 30 minutes. That's a huge time saver. Price? Free or $10 per month. Who needs this? Entrepreneurs. You'll love it. It's a total business solution. Jasper 2:30 to 4 o'clock. Jasper is an AI-powered writing assistant. It has 50 plus templates. The most impressive feature? AI writing suggestions. Imagine you need to write a blog post. Instead of 5 hours, Jasper does it in 1 hour. That's fast. Price? $29 per month. Who needs this? Content creators. You'll save time. You'll write better. Claude 4 to 5:30. Claude is an AI-powered writing assistant. It has 100 plus features. The most impressive